What's up, guys? Thank you for watching my previous video, and this is a quick update on what's happened since then. And I will try to squeeze a lot of things that are happening simultaneously all at once in a orderly sequence, I guess. So first thing I'm doing is installing the water pipe. As you can see, I already have gas line and power running to the sidewall, where I'm gonna have in the future some kind of barbecue corner, I guess. And I need to finish that first before I have tractors coming in to level the backyard, the front yard, the whole ground basically. And I have to finish that so they can close up. Meanwhile, I have guys coming in to install the garage door and the front door. And on top of that, I have to paint the upper door. As you see here is where the hatch is going out to the roof. I've already installed that door, and there it is. I just need to paint that. So get ready for this quick video, update video really is what it is, and enjoy. I'll try to follow the video and make comments here and there. Enjoy. By the way, I started building this door and framing it all together and welding, and I was like, I need to really make a video out of this, and then I decided not to because I have another project coming up which will be very similar on how to, basically welding is always cutting up the metal and welding, and I'll need to install handrails for balconies. I have 3 of them. So you'll see a lot of that in the following video, not following, but next video at some point in the future. So as I'm doing that, I had guys come in and put down the gravel into the trenches. I think I need to get a new paint gun because it wasn't working too well. Later I thinned out the paint a little bit. It started to flow a bit better, but still that's not the way it should be working. But at the end it turned out okay. Here you see in the video it doesn't look great, but it's just because it's wet. After it dried, it all came out nicely. Here came tractors, started leveling the ground. They did a great job, as good as you can do with a tractor really, and that's it. And then of course it's TLC after that. They really did a nice job on the house. And here are the guys installing the front door. So like I said, there's a lot happening all at once. They left a little bit of space before the fence, as you see here. The guy is still pouring the concrete down the base of the fence, so the forms are still there, as you see, so that had to stop there before the fence. So the door has a side wing that it's got latches up on the top and the bottom that you open up if you need to, if you bring in something big, a piece of furniture or something. Otherwise, door would have been too big if I didn't install that. So on one hand, you want for everyday use, a regular sized door. On the other hand, obviously, when you need to bring in something big once in a blue moon, you have the option to do that. So here's the final view of the job. The tractor guys did a beautiful job. The rest has to be done by hand. By the way, I wanted to ask you guys if you have any ideas on what to plant around the fence that will grow quickly and kind of stay green all year long, or in general any vegetation. If you have any ideas, which grass is better, this or that, I'll be thankful to receive all these comments from you. This is how you open the side wing of the main door. this is the backyard. Looks great, I think. So when all that was finished, right after that, the guy started plastering the wall. I don't know if it's the right word to use because it's not a plaster, it's a cement, I guess parging is what it is. So yeah, that will be next. I will be also recording some updates. Obviously I'm not doing it, so I will try to go up there as often as I can so you can see the progress. But other than that, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. And again, all types of comments are welcome. Please let me know what you think. And obviously, I'm not going to tell you, but if you like it, subscribe and like. Thank you.